Alright guys, we on Lake Monticello today. I got Jerry Droughty with me today. We
hey, good morning everybody.
Doing some bloodline tackle stuff today. And let me show you these rods he's working on. And I'll grant you these experimental rods. So this rods that he's building now. Check that out. Don't that look good? Look at that. We got them on boards out here, and this one right here, this old black one right here. We're gonna see how these rods do today. Hopefully we can catch some fish on them. So stay with us. Let's see what we can make happen. All right, Jerry, go fish. Well, I hate to say it, that was on a gizzard shad.
Yep, sure was.
Oh, that's nice blue. Nice fish. Big old male. Two.
Nice little blue. Caught him on the standing stick. Standing sticks in the cat shed. Oh.
Supposed to get up about 20 miles an hour today, so we're trying to get some fishing in before then. It's still pretty breezy out here now. Alright guys, me and Jerry Droughty went fishing today, and we caught a few fish, not many. We went to Monticello, the wind got up. It was got up to the 17, 18 mile an hour winds today. So we really didn't get to fish like we wanted. So I thought I'd finish this video out with a little bit of tackle talk. Y'all notice what I use is bloodline tackle. Okay, Jerry has got several things out. He's even got more that I don't have, that I don't use much of. But these right here are 5.5 inch cat and shads, and they're just a big version of the Demon Dragons. And he paints these himself, and grant you, everything coming from Bloodline, Jerry puts his hands on it himself, each individual piece. And he also makes a dragon weight, which is real good. I use these right here a lot. And they've got foam in them. And I should have been using these today with that high winds and stuff, but I ended up using the standing sticks, which is one of my favorites. But I like them right there too. Now the standing stick, this is a standing stick that he uses, or that he makes, and if you'll notice on my videos, you see me catch a lot of fish with them right there. Well, actually with all his products. And but he is coming out with some rods. He is going to start custom building rods, and he's going to have rods of his own for the Bloodline deal. And so he has loaned me one that he wants me to try, pulling boards and suspend fishing with. So I'm gonna try this, and from the way that I see it right now, this will probably be his medium, because it's kind of in between a medium and a medium heavy on some of the other rods that I've seen. So this is going to be, I think, a good, excellent all-around rod. But I'm gonna put this one through the test. But this is he has done a fantastic job on this. Let me show you this. Let me see if we can get it up close. Put my reel on it. Custom grips, you can have them engraved, whatever you want engraved on them. But if you buy the Bloodline rod, it'll already be engraved. See that? See them eyes? That's all stainless eyes. And there's 10 eyes on this rod. And of course, I put one of my reels on there to try, something that I'm used to. I'm going to drag with it, and this next weekend I'm going to try to suspend at Monticello with this rod with 6 and 8 ounce weight. And my goal is to put a 40 or 50 or 60 pound in it so I can feel this rod. I caught a fish on it today, but it was just a little old deep, and I could feel every little nibble and bite on that. So it's got a good feel. And these are one-piece rods, and they're 8-foot rods, top to bottom. I mean, the one-piece rod goes all the way to the end of the butt. And these are, check this out. These are aluminum reel seats. He done a nice job on that. Plus he's got the, one of the logos right there. And but I just thought that's a real good deal. If this turns out to be a good rod, like I like, but everybody's got their own preference. I like a little bit of give on planer boards. I like a medium rod on planer boards. But this, excuse me. this one done real good today, and I believe it will do real good. And if it does good, I'm gonna have him to build me 8 of these. But they'll be the black rod, but these right here, what's red will be in blue with the blue handles. It'll say Blue Dog Fishing on them, but I'll still have him put the Bloodline. He'll end up putting his Bloodline logo in the upper portion of the handle. So I just thought I would get on here and share that just a little bit. And if y'all want me to, I'll keep you informed how he does. But as far as custom built rods, I believe this is gonna be the ticket. And the handles are just a little fatter than most of you catfish rods out there. And but them right there is really going to be, and they're 4 inches longer than most of you other catfish rods out there. And but not knocking none of them, because I've got some and I love all of my catfish rods. It don't matter to make and brand. But I was real impressed with what he has done with these right here. So if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to the channel. And maybe this next week we can see if we can put a big one in the boat on this rod. I mean, when you're fishing with 8 or 10 rods out on the boat, and just to get them to hit one rod, that's why I don't want a suspend anchor with it. I have a better chance I don't fish with as many rods. So check us out, and if you like it, hit like and subscribe like I say, and we'll see if we'll get another video out this next week. Thank you.